Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 1 8086 microprocessor. Here, in the previous session, we are studied addressing mode and instruction set and assembler directive and assembly language programming of 8086 processor. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the modular programming of 8086 microprocessor. In this modular programming is a set of large number of programming to divided into each sub programs to execute the convenient in depends upon your applications. So we will see the presentation. The modular programming, it specifies the representation of large program as a sequence of small and independent program assumed, tested and debugged and then linked to form a large form function program. The characteristics of the module are given below. Each module is independent of other module. Second one, each module has one input and one output. A module is small in size. The programming a single function per module is a goal. So we see the picture. The main program of assembly language program in our 8086. So the main program is a large set of programs. So the large set of program is divided into different submodule category. So each submodule is executed again to divide into 2 or 3 category. So individual modules can be executed and tested and debugged to coming the output to call to the large application program in our 8086 microprocessor. So these types of divide the main program into subprogram is called a modular programming. So in this modular programming, we are using the assembly language program in our 8086 microprocessor. What are the advantages? We see the advantages of modular programming. Number 1, easy to write, test and debug a module. Number 2, modules are easier to comprehend. Number 3, different modules can be assigned to different programming. Debugging and testing can be done in more orderly fashion. Documentation can be more easily understood. Modification may be localized. Frequently used tasks can be programmed into modules that are stored in libraries and used for several programs. And what are the disadvantages of this modular programming technique in 8086 microprocessor? The disadvantages is number 1, combining of modules together in a different task. Number 2, it need careful documentation as it may affect the other part of the program. And final disadvantages, the development of drivers required extra effort and time. That is a waste of time to product of delay to assigned occur in the 8086 microprocessor. Thank you for watching this video.